Starting June 1st, there's going to be changes to CalFresh benefits as it's going to be required an option to work or volunteer for a certain amount of hours. And local organizations that I spoke to tell me that they're trying to find solutions to help the community. I'm Shantae Amani, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.
On top of trying to just survive, come and do something else just to qualify to get food. And it's just like...
For Gabrielle Doe, the new work requirements under the Big Beautiful Bill signed into law last year, this reshapes eligibility Medicaid and SNAP programs, including CalFresh. And it comes with new mandate. Able-bodied adults ages 19 to 64 must work or volunteer at least 20 hours a week or 80 hours a month to keep their benefits, leaving her relying on food banks.
And that's concerning if that's going to be the qualifier or the disqualifier. On top of that, I've been working on my health. I've been trying to find a job. The job market, everybody knows right now, is it's not great.
Doe, already relying on CalFresh for 11 years, claims she's been on the wait list for Medi-Cal. With health issues and trying to find work, meeting those requirements may not be easy for her.
I had to quit my job because of how my chronic illness was impacting my ability to work.
That struggle echoes across Kern County. Kelly Lowry with Community Action Partnership of Kern warns that nearly 30,000 residents could feel the effects of new work requirements.
What we're finding is that there's an estimate that about a third of the entire caseload of CalFresh cases in Kern County are at risk of being disenrolled as a result of the new work requirements.
What's going to happen if a third of the people who get CalFresh are disenrolled?
Well, unfortunately, what that means is that they're going to be turning to the charitable food system that we have in place, the food bank and all of our partners in every community, and it's going to kind of create a lot of downward pressure on what's already a really stretched resource stream.
Despite those concerns, local groups are working to keep residents eligible, with the Community Action Partnership of Kern joining forces with United Way and the Department of Human Services.
We are trying to address that by creating this volunteer collaborative that enables local organizations, nonprofits, etc., to create volunteer opportunities.
So far, more than 100 organizations have joined the effort, but they say more help is still needed, especially to give people like Doe more flexibility while trying to meet the new requirements.
And then getting cut on top of that. $20, $15. What is someone going to do with $30, or even sometimes $100? What is someone going to do with $100? For the month?
If you need to fill in those volunteer hours, you could directly reach out to Cap K for assistance or look at the QR code directly on the screen. I'm Shantae Amani reporting in Bakersfield.